Reflex reactions are one of the only aspects of the nervous system in which communication happens solely between the muscle and the spinal cord and does not travel through the brain. For example, when the doctor hits the tendon of your quadriceps femoris with a mallet, the impact stretches your tendon. This activates the receptors of the neurotendinous organs in the patellar ligament. The movement impulse is conducted by sensory neurons to the spinal cord. Then motor neurons send a message back down to the knee, enabling the muscle to contract and jerk the knee joint into extension momentarily. The autonomic nervous system is responsible for the inner functioning of the smooth muscle and glands of the vital organs in response to outside stimulation. Imagine walking through a forest and suddenly you see something that looks like a snake. As soon as your eyes perceive it, the information travels from the visual cortex straight through the thalamic pathway to the amygdala, a small, almond-shaped section of the medial temporal lobe. The amygdala cannot distinguish between a snake and a stick, but it can react in a split second, sending information through the medulla oblongata to the sympathetic nervous system to prepare for fight or flight. Adrenaline releases, digestion pauses, heart rate increases, and breathing quickens. While the autonomic nervous system is already reacting to the threat of danger, the information is simultaneously processed by another part of the brain, the neocortex, or the conscious brain. The same information perceived by the visual cortex is also sent through the thalamic pathway to the posterior parietal cortex, which deciphers that the object is a stick, not a snake. The posterior parietal communicates with the somatosensory cortex, and together they decide how to pick up the stick and throw it out the path. This command is sent through the motor neurons to the spinal cord and out into the basal ganglia, which controls the somatic or voluntary movement of the muscles.